What do you call a dog with no collar?
Dog with no collar, huh? I don't know. Tell me.
Gucci French fries.
Okay, I got it. So,
You get it?
Yeah, Gucci French fries.
Explain it.
Gucci French fries. Okay, what is Gucci French fries? Is it Gucci like Gucci? Or French fries? That's what you said right now? I don't know. I'm lost. I'm just lost. Explain it to me. I don't know how to do it. Well, man. Dog with no collar. I mean, I can't. My brain went fucking. I fucked it up. My bad. It's still recording me? I'm trying to explain this shit, man. How do I explain this? Dog with no dog. I can't even explain. That shit was hard. You good? You got me laughing over here. Shit, I'm trying to figure out how to explain this to you. I really didn't. I got the joke, but I need to figure out how to explain it. Man, I can't even explain it right now.
Nah, I wasn't supposed to make sense. I was just fucking with you.
I got you.